Question is asking a unit vector which is perpendicular to both these vectors. So what we'll do, we'll call the first vector as vector A, okay, I cap plus j cap plus 0 k cap, correct, and the second vector we'll call it as vector B, that is nothing but 0 I cap plus j cap plus k cap. Is it okay? Now question is asking find a unit vector. Unit vector means answer should be a vector. If the answer has to be a vector, definitely we have to take the cross product between the vectors, not the dot product. So unit vector can be written as a vector A cross B, divided by magnitude of A cross B, divided by magnitude of A cross B. Do you get it? So you calculate first, you calculate here. For this you calculate here first magnitude of, A cross B. A cross B is nothing but a 3 cross 3 determinant with the first row being the unit vectors, respective unit vectors along x, y and z, that is I cap, j cap, k cap, 1, 1, 0 and then 0, 1, 1. So your answer to the question will be I cap times, leave the row and column. So 1 minus 0 minus j cap into, leave the row and column, 1 minus 0 plus k cap into, leave the row and column. So what is the answer that we get to 1 minus 0? So your answer to the question will be I cap minus j cap plus k cap, correct? I cap minus j cap plus k cap. This is your answer for A cross B. Similarly, you calculate the magnitude of A cross B now. The magnitude of A cross B can be written as a square root of 1 square plus minus 1 the whole square plus 1 square, that is equal to root over 3, correct? That is equal to root over 3. Now your answer to the question here will be, here you substitute I cap minus j cap plus k cap divided by root 3. So if you can look at the options, either the option will be like this or the option will be 1 by root 3 times I cap minus 1 by root 3 times j cap and plus 1 divided by root 3 times k cap. Are you following? Plus 1 divided by root 3 times k cap. This will be the answer to the question.